Basic pneumatic trainer kit. This component is FRL unit, filter, regulator, lubricator unit. These are the connection lines. This is distributor. It receives and it distributes to many component requirements. And then this is DCV, direction control valve, lever operated DCV, direction control valve. The input is from distributor and then output to actuator. So this distributor output is given to double acting cylinder. This is the output line. This is the output line that is given to double acting cylinder. Double acting cylinder means we need two lines. So these are the two outputs, these two lines. One is for extension, another is for retraction. Retraction means returning line. These components are called proximity roller switches. Roller switches, just it touches and it passes away from the component and then again it returns back. So these two occasions there is a roller that is pressed by the cylindrical part, thereby it gives an output. This output is used for making a sequence movement to the another cylinder. So this is identifying the position, extreme position, retraction or extension position is sensed by the mechanical type of roller operated proximity switch. And then this is another component, flow control valve, which is used for speed control in the actuator. So here flow control valve. There is a throttle valve, variable throttling with integral check valve, and then based on the screw setting the flow is restricted or it is allowed freely. Thereby the speed of the movement of the piston cylinder arrangement is controlled by the flow control valve. And then 5/2 double pilot valve. So 5 here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2. 2 means extension, retraction. Pilot valve means this is used as instead of lever operated, we can use the output is going to actuate this main valve. So that is instead of lever we can give one air pilot. So that is called pilot valve. Filter, it filters out the dust particles from the atmospheric air that is stored in the compressor. So pure or clean air is allowed to go inside the system. A regulator, it allows the flow of the air into the system. And then lubricator, since it is air, it is not having any lubricating property, but the piston and cylinder arrangements, they are rubbing each other inside. So that contact may create heat or friction, thereby the lubrication is necessary for any moving parts in between. Up to this double acting cylinder explanation is over. Here there is another cylinder, single acting cylinder. By the name itself, the single acting cylinder, we need single working line. There is no return line. Extension is by applying the compressed air so that it will extend. But absence of the external air supply, the spring inside that will restore its home position so that we can. So this return by spring, it is by force, return by spring. So spring is located here, and then this is roller operated switch. So it is getting pressed, cantilever operated arrangement. In this way the roller is getting pressed and it is released. Thereby in and out is controlled by the position of the roller valve. So single acting cylinder, double acting cylinder, and then how this is controlled by a lever operated. Here it is 5/2. 5 by 2, and then another configuration 3 by 2 is also there. Here you can see the details in the nameplate, the port number, the pressure, maximum pressure allowed, everything is given here. So the symbol and the type is given in the nameplate. So up to this, the explanation is over for the basic pneumatic trainer kit. This is one of the exercises in the applied hydraulics and pneumatics lab.